Next, I'll show you how to enroll your AstroContacts app users via your SureMDM account. Here, you have the power to silently complete installation of AstroContact app, enrollment into the account associated with your admin portal via the composite job, as well as the QR code available in your admin portal under account settings in the enrollment tab, and even enroll into the app remotely and silently via a composite job. First, go to Jobs and then create New Job. Select your operating system. For example, we'll use Android. And then select Install Application. Followed by adding in the job name, we'll go with AstroContacts APK as the name. And then tap Add. Now select the application and add your AstroContacts APK. You can find this at 42gears.com/downloads. Scroll to the bottom and right-click to copy this APK link from the AstroContacts Android at the bottom left-hand side. Upload the AstroContacts APK or paste the link. Now select Install After Copy and then click OK. Now that the job has been successfully created, you can see the AstroContacts APK under the job folder name. Moving on, we'll create our auto launch job. So navigate to Jobs, then tap New Job. Select your operating system. Now select the Run Script Type option. Add in the name. We will name it AstroContacts Auto Launch. And then paste in the script. After the script has been pasted in, click Save. Now we'll create our auto enrollment job. Tap New Job. Select your operating system. Next, choose the Run Script job type. Add in the Run Script name. We will call this AstroContacts Auto Enrollment. Here, you'll paste in the following. Simply input the username and password associated with your admin portal account in this script as per this example. This is found in your admin portal. Just go to Account Settings on your left and tap the Enrollment tab at the top center. You can copy these credentials into your Run Script. Navigating back to the Run Script window, you can see that the AstroContacts username as well as the password matches the Run Script. So after you check the username and the password, click Save. Lastly, we'll place these three newly created jobs into one composite job. Simply navigate it once more to Jobs, choose your operating system, and select the composite job type option. Here, you'll add the three jobs created in the following order for proper process flow completion. The first will be Install Job, followed by Auto Launch, and then Auto Enrollment. But first, we need to add the name. We will name it AstroContacts Remote Enrollment. To add the jobs, click the add sign. Select the AstroContacts APK job first. Click OK. Follow the same procedure to add in the AstroContacts Auto Launch Run Script. And then click Add. Now select AstroContacts Auto Enrollment Run Script. Don't forget to add in a delay. For this, we will add in a 5-second delay interval. You must add this delay in between your auto launch and auto enrollment jobs so that the enrollment begins directly after the app launches. This delay will help prevent an interruption in applying a job. Click OK to complete the composite job. Now select the desired device or devices in your SureMDM account and apply this composite job. Your end users won't have to touch the device at any point and will be presented across to their AstroContacts app in real time once the composite job is successfully carried out. You can also apply this job to a group of devices for your multi-project purposes. Please note that using this method of enrollment, your users along with their devices will all be registered with the same general account credentials. So you'll have to identify your contacts within your AstroContacts admin portal in device lists by their device details alone. For more information, you can visit astrocontacts.42gears.com.